In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word with a black background and white text. This setup, often called dark mode or high contrast mode, is easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, and can help reduce eye strain when working for long periods. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load any document or create a new blank one. Once Word is open, go to the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. From the File menu, select Options to open the Word Options window. This is where you can customize Word's appearance and behavior. In the Word Options window, select the General category from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu for Office theme. Click the drop-down and select Black. This changes the overall interface of Word, including the ribbon, menus, and background, to a dark color scheme. To make the text itself white, while keeping the background black, go back to the Document window. Click on the Design tab in the ribbon, and then select Page Color. Choose a black or very dark color for the page background. Next, select all the text in your document by pressing Ctrl+A, then go to the Home tab and change the font color to white. This ensures that your text stands out clearly against the dark background. If you want to make this change permanent for all new documents, you can save the document as a template. Go to File, select Save As, choose Word Template as the file type, and give it a name. This allows you to start new documents with a black background and white text automatically. Using Microsoft Word with a black background and white text can improve focus, reduce glare, and provide a more comfortable reading and writing experience. You can switch back to the default theme at any time by following the same steps and selecting a lighter color scheme. And that's it. You now know how to use Microsoft Word with a black background and white text. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.